Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm trying out the Paradise Big Deal by L'Oreal. I am seeing this mascara trending everywhere with all of the younger ladies. So I'm going to put it to the test with these 60-year-old eyelashes. I am pretty loyal to that CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean. As I've gotten older, my eyes, I just can't wear mascara. It bothers me. This stuff is gold in terms of using it on sensitive eyes. It doesn't bother me at all. So I'm going to put this to the test. I'm going to wear the L'Oreal on my right eye for the day and my Lash Blast Clean CoverGirl on my left eye for the day. I'm going to report 8 hours later and let you know if the Paradise Big Deal did it bother my eyes, because I could have the largest lashes going, but if my eyes are running watery, itchy, then I'd rather wear no mascara. See what 8 hours brings. Am I going to be feeling, are my eyes going to be itchy, flaky, dry? And is it going to give me the volume that it's promising? So here we go. I like the brush. It's very lightweight. I'm going to give it another coat, and then I'm going to do the bottom eyelashes, just obviously a light coat, right? Want to make sure when you do your bottom lashes, like, you don't want like the Tammy Faye look. God bless you. No offense, Tammy. Just want to kind of keep it as natural as possible. Actually, a little smaller, so I feel like CoverGirl's not getting a fair run for their money here, because injury a few months ago, and this eyelid is just not, this eye has just never opened up the same since. So hopefully that'll correct itself. All right, CoverGirl, here we go. I have to use my mirror, sorry ladies, but if you're my age, you completely understand that without this, I'm in big trouble. I'm going to report back to you in 8 hours. Is it the CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean or the Paradise Big Deal? Is this an option for me as well as a 60-year-old woman with sensitive eyes? So is the Paradise Big Deal a big deal? Yes, it is. Actually, I really like this product very, very much. I wasn't sure because my eyes are so sensitive. I pretty much just, stick to CoverGirl Lash Blast Clean, which I love, love. And I am not going to be, trading this one in anytime soon. But it's certainly nice to have another amazing mascara that doesn't bother my eyes. So I'm going to give this a 10. It's lightweight, it feels amazing. And for mature, older women, it's also a great choice for a mascara. I hope you found this content useful, helpful, all that good stuff. Please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Until next time, take care of yourself, take care of your skin, and remember, you've got this.